much. Prom king, prom queen, Michael and Roxanne, and prom prince, prom princess, Justin and Cherise, of course. Why don't we give a big hand to our band, of course, our De La Cruz brothers, Glenn and Gerard. We have our rhythm guitarist, Pons, and of course our very own drummer, Matt. Let's give them a big hand. Meron silang nire-request. Okay, what is it, Glenn? In behalf though of the senior class, they wish to render a happy birthday song to Donna. Okay?
I know I'm around. Time flies when you're having fun. You only come whenever you're gone. The sun is down. So now you wanna know what I wanna know. Wish that home. I know it's kind of late. Happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you're birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. But I need to go. Yeah, yeah, I know. I know it's kind of late. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, man. Congratulations again, Donna. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Same thing. All right. So.
At this moment, may I call on now our dear principal to give his inspirational message and at the same time closing remarks. Let's give him a big hand.
Well, anyway, guys, I think you do not like me to be here, isn't it not? Because if I stand here, it's going to signal already that probably things will have to come to a close. Diba? But anyway, personally, I didn't want the prom to take place, no? Because last year when my daughter was part of it, it was alright because she's going to turn a senior, no? But now that she's a senior, and it's the prom night, you see a young girl growing up to be a lady, and if you were in my place, you know, it's going to probably add another thorn, no, in your heart, knowing that your daughter is going to leave you already and go to college. So that's why. But anyway, since it's here, first I'd like to apologize to all of you. Now, I'm not dressed for the occasion. You know very well we just came from a parade. But this prom is not all about me, guys. No, it's all about you. You're the Romeos and Juliets of this night. No, coming out with your Shakespearean novel, and all I can hope for is that it ends well. Diba? The theme is focused on being it in Vegas. No? Well, there's one thing I do not like about the theme, no, that I don't agree upon. You see, well, aside from dancing with Christian Noval, but But, you know, guys, there's a saying in Las Vegas. They say that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. No? Probably because aside from the gambling, there are other miraculous things that happen there. That's why they say it has to stay in Vegas. But definitely we should not agree with that, isn't it not? We should remember the things that happened here tonight. No? We should remember how many teachers we danced with, for example, no? Or how much we ate. No? For example, like Gary a while ago asking for more food. Or why you wore that ridiculous dress. Or why you wore that tie that doesn't match with your shirt. No? Or you have to remember how short your skirt is, for example. Or probably your pants was really too long. But you have to remember, the seniors are going to go to college already, no? In a month. Or let's say 3 months, no? If we're going to include April and May. And I think I'm going to be right here if I say that you won't probably even remember 75% of what happened here, especially when you meet new classmates already during the first semester. And for you juniors, when you're going to be seniors next year, you probably wouldn't really like to remember. No? Because new memories are going to be formed again. Well, as far as in my book, no, the seniors will still have to defend their thesis. And the juniors will still have to pass their stand. Then you become probably Berkeley stars in my book. But then again, juniors and seniors, no? I pray that if you indeed become stars, no, that you be like the North Star. No? The North Star that guides sailors, no, when they have lost their compasses. The North Star, it's unmoving, it's constant, it's a guide. So hopefully you'd become Berkeley stars, no, that would be comparable to the North Star. So guys, I do not like to take much of your time tonight, but as they say in Vegas, Elvis has left the building. No? Good night to all of you. Enjoy the rest of the evening. And there is classes on Monday. All right, guys. Thank you very much.
A pleasant evening, my dear schoolmates and beloved teachers. Time is indeed short, especially when we are having fun. But then again, we have to be grateful for this wonderful opportunity given to us to be together. The lighting of a candle is indeed very symbolical, according to Buddha. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of a candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. At this moment, as we light our candles, I wish everyone peace and serenity to overcome our troubles, strength to let us fulfill our goals, light to give us our sense of direction in whatever decisions we will make, and plenty of love, love to share and love to receive. May these lighted candles bring us a fulfilled life now and forever.
So as we light each other's candle, we wish the best for everyone. We can go to our friends.